Tensions run high between Cold War foes as a fugitive former U.S. contractor is now at the center of a political tug-of-war between Washington and Moscow. Edward Snowden, who leaked details of U.S. spy programs, is hiding out in the transit area of a Moscow airport after the U.S. has called for him to be sent home. State Department spokesman Patrick Ventrell.
Well, look, the Russians will do their own interpretation of their own regulations and their own laws, but we're making the point to them that we do think there's a basis for him to be returned.
The dispute could further fray ties between the U.S. and Russia, says Dmitry Trenin, an analyst with the Carnegie Center in Moscow.
I think that this crisis can have very negative consequences for Russian-American relations because, obviously, for the American administration, and in particular for Obama, it is very important that this runaway falls into the hands of American justice.
He says the U.S. has to be careful in how it talks to Russia.
For Russia, in this situation, it's important not to lose face and not to worsen relations with the U.S., but at the same time to let the Americans know that Russia is a country with which it's necessary to deal with all due respect.
Snowden has not been seen in public, but Russian officials say he is awaiting a response to an appeal for asylum in Ecuador.